It's a very thick, shallow lake.
Wow, my feet are freezing.
We gotta come back on this warm stuff. It's dirt, Amanda. But it's still warm.
Ow!
Look how far his feet.
Oh my God.
Be careful, you're like slashing into the back of your.
It's gonna bite me. Oh my God. My feet are freezing. One second. That sucks, but that's okay. And I stick.
Mud's not exactly warm, it's cold.
Oh my God.
It's